So how do you turn off the split screen in the settings of the iPad? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So I assume that you probably are aware of the fact that you can use like multiple apps at once, and you can see when I flick them to the side like this, we have the split screen, right? And if you want to close it temporarily, or at least for those two apps, you can slide it over like this, and I closed or disabled the split screen. But I assume that you want to turn off the feature entirely. And if that is the case, just go to the settings app of the iPad, and a part of the side panel, you should be able to find multitasking and gestures. So this is what it looks like. And we essentially have like three modes of the iPad. So as you can see, currently the windowed apps is selected, and this is what allows us to have the split screen, floating windows, and even multiple of them on the screen. There's also the stage manager, which is kind of similar even though slightly different, but if you want to have your apps on full screen only and no split screen ever, click on the full screen apps like this, and it just means that it's going to stay like that, and it's not possible even to go to the split screen mode. You can only use one app at a time, and this is probably what you wanted to achieve. Now in the full screen mode, even if I get inside an app, like you could see the App Store, we don't have the ability to resize it or do anything, as it's just one screen, and it kind of works like on the iPhone that you can only use one app at a time. So that's something which you can definitely do. Keep in mind that it might vary iPad by iPad. Some devices have more features than others, but generally speaking, this is how you do it. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll see you in the future uploads.